How to sign in into Now Penssonense account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can sign into your My Penssonense How to sign into Now Penssonense account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will show you how you can log in into Now Penssonense account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar, then there type in Now Penssonense login. Then head towards the first link on the search results, that is www.nowpenssonense.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Once you're here, navigate to the top right corner. There is a login button. Click on login. Scroll down a bit. Now, according to your account type, you have to choose one from here, whether you are members, you are employers, or any other payroll bureaus and advisor. For now, I will just head towards the employers, but according to your account type, you can choose one from here. Click on employers. Scroll down a bit. Again, you get two options, whether you are existing employers or you are the brand new employer. So from here, select one that suits you. Here, I will go with the existing employers. Click on login. Now you'll be taken into login prompt. Here you have to enter your username, that is your email. So type in your correct username or your email address. In case if you forget it, click on the forget username. That's gonna help you recover your username. Under that, enter your password that is associated with your account. Make sure to type in the correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link again. Click on forget password, and that's gonna help you recover your password. Once you're done entering your correct login credential, click on login button, and then you will be logged in into your account. And that's it. That's how you log in into Now Penssonense account. That's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.